That's a good point you raise, and I want to discuss a little more on this. Reaching out to the professors is considered to be a very hard task, because normally you apply, or you reach out to a lot of professors and they don't reply back. That's a challenge that a lot of people face. And especially when you are in your third or final year, you don't have much to show also. So what would be your, or did you when you reached out to professors, first of all, did you or did you not reach out to the professors?
So as I said, I was like in my own bubble till I finished my fourth year. I was super into BA SAE. Used to spend all my time on that. So for me, I had never got that time period. So I did. So let's say I gave my GRE in the month of like late October, early November,
Mm-hmm.
the first attempt. And that time I was doing multiple things, preparing SOP, LOR. At the same time, there were handful of professors
Mm-hmm.
like from Virginia Tech. I got a lot of response from Virginia Tech saying that uh, they don't have kind of vacancy right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I did try contacting professors.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the things which I would suggest student is contacting them not with a normal Gmail account but .edu accounts, which
Okay.
I as a student of Somaya had. So
Mm-hmm.
so that kinds of gets you
The
into their
credibility.
inboxes at least. Yeah,
Yeah.
.edu. They would say like it's not someone who is like a spam or anything like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I
Absolutely.
would say I did get replies from few of the professors.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say especially target the professors who are kind of early into their career,
Mm-hmm.
who just finished the PhD and just joined the university.
Okay.
That would be a good bet. But yeah, I would say I was late into the playground, and it was not, so the one good thing about this country and this education system is, even though so as you said, right, at the third year or fourth year you might not have something to show,
Mm-hmm.
but even if you show like kind of an enthusiasm or
Mm-hmm.
kind of a to-do attitude,
Mm-hmm.
they would not just like shoo you away. They would like at least try to give you a chance, considering that your GRE and TOEFL score is kind of a thing which you can enter. So one of the thing with me that happened during Virginia Tech admission was my GRE was just 320 and my TOEFL was 95.
Mm-hmm.
So professor can't really fight with the admission committee to let
Yeah.
someone in with the lower scores.
Yeah. 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 Absolutely. Absolutely. And that's a very nice tip as well, that reaching out to professors who are early into their careers, because they might be looking immediately for people, people who are researchers or faculty members who are older, and who have spent a lot of time into the system. They might look for PhD candidates, or people who have more years of work experience. That's a very nice